Wanna know how to use and work with dates and times in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can work with date and time. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, we import local date and local time first from the java.time package. So this will give us some current local time and local date of our location. So once you've done that, we use local date.now, which gives us a function to get today's date, and local time.now parenthesis, the same function but different, to get the current time. So these are built-in methods, no need for extra setup. When we run the code, it prints the exact date and time from your system. This is super useful for logs, time tracking, or anything time-based. And that's it. Now you can just simply run it, and if your system supports, it will just print it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.